So cruising around Epic, I really like how it's this wheel like design. So everything goes to the middle, and then you just go out from there to the different lands, which is really cool. It seems like it's a lot faster and smoother to navigate that way. Finished How to Train Your Dragon World. Now we are going on Stardust Racers. This is gonna rock. A little bigger ride for Isaac, so he's a little nervous. We'll knock it out.
Drop it. Drop it.
Just went on Stardust Racers. Elijah and I went on green, and Brooke and Isaac went on yellow. And what did you guys think?
Yeah, I
Loved
loved it.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was so good.
Yeah, so good?
Yeah.
Love the drops.
It was pretty good. Roller coasters make me sick, and actually, it didn't actually make me sick.
Wow.
So that's nice.
That's good.
And it was pretty smooth.
Good.
So
Wow.
I did pretty good.
Nice, good. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And Elijah, we went on the green one.
Yeah, we did.
Tons of like weightlessness.
There was.
I mean, tons of drops.
Yeah, and we would like go like this. Sometimes.
Yeah, we did a whole bunch of turns. A couple of the dudes told us the G's were pretty high on that one.
I guess so.
Yeah, that was good. What do you think? You liked it?
I did like it. I mean, it was a little rougher for me personally.
Yeah?
Like my head hurts. But
Spectacular! This land holds great beauty.
it was a fun ride.
Yeah.
It was a blast. I'd go on it again.
No, yeah, it was cool. And them little jets where it took off. Just
Yeah, that was cool.
I mean, that was awesome how it does that. So overall, you'd recommend it?
Yeah, I would.
Sweet. What about you, Isaac? You recommend it?
Yeah.
All right, cool, buddy.
I don't even have to scream.
Whoa, it's because you're tough, man. Boom. Good job.